Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix chess.com not working in 2026. So let us guide you through it. So head over to chess.com, log into your account, and let's assume it's not working and you can't start any chess parties here. You can't play against any of your friends. This might be due to your browser settings. So it depends pretty much on which browser you're using and are currently logged in. For instance, I'm logged in on Google Chrome. So let me show you a possible solution for this issue on Google Chrome. So what fixed it for me was to simply clear my browser's browsing data here on Google Chrome. To access this, click into these three dots in the top right, navigate to settings, or alternatively simply click directly into delete browsing data. Here we use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-Delete. And after that, what you want to do, guys, is go through these elements of your browsing data. And what is specifically important here are the site cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files with the MB sites below. You can, enabling the rest of them is optional, like autofill, site settings, but these two are the most relevant ones. And also select the time range all time, confirm by clicking into delete from this device, and wait and see if this has fixed the issue. Log into your account on chess.com again and see if it did or not, guys. If that's the case, please let us know in the comments down below if it fixed the issue for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.